Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hossein is here with another video. I don't know if you remember my Suzuki SP200 which I picked up last week. So I washed the bike, like everything was clean, everything is okay on the bike. The only thing that I realized it needs my attention is the tires, which I realized the tires have some like cracks since I believe for the past 11 years that they have been the same tires. And they haven't been used much, but they have started to show cracks, and I realized that's the time to change the tires and tubes. So I picked up the Pirelli MT21. Yeah, I picked up the Pirelli MT21 tires for the front and rear, and I'm about to head out and go to the Motoshed. Motoshed is like a motorcycle shop in Seattle, which they specifically work on the old Japanese motorcycles. I had a hard time mounting the tires on the back of the motorcycle because I don't have a luggage rack or anything like that, so I just tied down with some bungee cords the tires just like this. Yeah, they're pretty tight. So yeah, these are the tires and these are the tubes. I got some heavy duty tubes, and yeah, I'm about to head out to the Motoshed Seattle. Let's go. Alright, so I just got here like a couple of minutes ago. It was a 35-minute ride. The bike did pretty well. The only issue was, since I had those tires mounted on top of the rear fender, the tires kept pushing me and I had to squeeze myself on the seat. But otherwise, bike did pretty good. And yeah, so yeah, I just dropped the bike. They told me it's gonna be a couple of hours to replace the tires and the tubes, and yeah. This is actually a nice place. It's called Motoshed. It's located in Queen Anne neighborhood in Seattle. And the nice thing about this place is, first of all, they work on all the old Japanese motorcycles, right? So they're pretty familiar with all these like Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, whatever, 70s, like 60s, 70s, 80s, and they prefer to work on those. The appointments, it wasn't a big deal, so like a couple days ago I called and they were available, so I made an appointment. They made an appointment for me. And in the other hand, they have a space, like open space with all the tools, so you just need to come here. If you want to work on your own motorcycle, if you want to do it yourself, you can use their space and their tools, only pay like a membership, I guess. And one other nice point about this place is they are collaborating with a coffee shop named Two Kick Coffee Roasters. So basically you can drop your motorcycle, you can grab a coffee or beer, and then have a seat, enjoy the weather, or just if you are coming here with a friend or anyone, so you can enjoy the space. It's really nice, and the coffee was actually good. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around the neighborhood a little bit, and they just pulled my bike in. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Fremont Bridge. They called me. I mean, they didn't call me actually. I called them. Yeah, I called the Motoshed and I was following up on the bike. So they told me that in about 30-40 minutes the bike will be ready. So I just grabbed something to eat for lunch and I'm heading back there. I'm just walking for like 15 minutes over this beautiful Fremont Bridge. Since I'm already walking across the street, I know the street is loud, a lot of cars are passing by and it's not gonna get quiet at all. But I just wanted to talk about something crazy in Seattle actually. And the thing is, like, whenever you need an appointment for a car or for a motorcycle, even for doing some basic stuff like changing the brake pads and all that stuff, oh man, that's crazy. Like, honestly, I couldn't get any appointment for like 3 or 4 weeks. So that's really crazy because when we went to California, we were around Los Angeles and my car got some issues and it needed some like immediate attention. I called in the morning to like a couple of different shops and all of them, they were open. So they told me, you just bring the car in, just drive in and we'll take care of the car by end of the day. But honestly, it's a dream here in Seattle. Sounds like, I don't know the reason. Like, maybe that's because like there are less tech people. By tech I mean technical people, mechanics, I don't know. But that's really interesting because, you know, somewhere like Los Angeles, super crowded, a ton of cars, like more than Seattle. But all those shops, they have, for the most part, they have availability right away. But it's not gonna happen here in Seattle. So basically, if your bike or if your car needs an immediate attention here, you're screwed. You have to have like a extra car, second motorcycle, whatever. Even for bicycles, honestly, like taking the bicycle to do to fix a flat tire, you gotta call like 1 week or 2 weeks in advance, so they make you an appointment. That's just crazy, right? Well, I guess that's what it is for now until we move on from here. Yeah, let's get to the bike. Alrighty, the bike is ready and I'm gonna head back home. Just look at the tires.